I am Ayush Prajapati and I am one of the students from DAIICT Gandhinagar. My brief talk is all about image processing. Here is the project synopsis. This project is based on image processing with the help of Hadamard matrix. There are two types of image processing methods available. First one is digital image processing and another one is analog image processing. In this assignment, I briefly discuss about digital image processing. By watching this full video, you will find the answers of the following questions. Let's see how image is stored in our devices. Image is converted into a matrix which contains numbers from 0 to 256 by using each pixel. In this image, we can see that each pixel converted into appropriate number. This image matrix has depth of 3 level because of pixel contain only 3 colors red, green and blue. We can derive image matrix using MATLAB. In discrete maths, I use Hadamard matrix for image processing. Hadamard matrix contain only plus ones and minus ones, so it is easy to compute. Here are 3 examples of Hadamard matrix. Now let's see the real life problem and solution with the help of mathematics. The problem is, suppose we have image matrix F and Hadamard matrix H. How can we remove redundancy from the image so that the image is stored in minimal space? By some transformation, we also want to reduce bandwidth. How? Let's unfolding the problem by using Hadamard matrix. Assume that the small f represent the image matrix. We can easily produce image matrix with the help of MATLAB. In our case, image matrix is 4 cross 4. So related Hadamard matrix of order 4 is capital H as below. For Hadamard transformation, capital F is equal to H into F into H transpose. For Hadamard transform, capital F is equal to H into F into H transpose. We will do step 1 as H into F as below. This is only matrix multiplication. I had used matrix multiplication dot xyz for matrix multiplications. At the end, we get the result. We use this result with another multiplication. Here it is. The resultant Hadamard transformation is capital F. Here F denotes Hadamard transform which we want. How can we reduce noise from an image? So here is the solution with the help of Hadamard transformation. We can easily reduce periodic noise. Image A shows image with periodic noise. Image B shows image spectrum used for image constructions. Image C represent filtered image. There are lots of use of Hadamard matrix, like for better view of image we can reduce noise from images by using Hadamard matrix. That's we just say. So redundancy is also be reduced with the help of Hadamard matrix. I explain it with matchsticks. First image shows high redundancy while second image shows low redundancy. We can easily reduce bandwidth. In this image, bandwidth is high. Its size is 350 KB. We can do Hadamard transformation and then we get low bandwidth image with the size of only 85 KB. Both images are different in the form of size. Image compression is also done by Hadamard transformation. I use left hand side image and compress it with Hadamard matrix, and the resultant right hand side image is compressed image. I used this MATLAB code for the above process. At the end, I conclude my topic with some knowledge. NASA used to use the Hadamard transformation as a basis of compressing photographs from interplanetary probes during the 1960s and early 70s. The Hadamard transform is also used in data encryption as well as many signal processing and the data compression algorithm. We can easily compress any image, reduce redundancy, reduce noise, reduce bandwidth, etc. with the help of Hadamard transformation. Hadamard transformation is also known as fast transformation. Hadamard transform is simple but effective way for compressing data. They have the significant advantage that the basis transform require no multiplications, only sums and differences. That's why it's easy to calculate. Use mathematics and be awesome. This is the global formula. If you get any knowledge from my video, please like it. Thanks for watching.